Experience Grounds Language, an EMNLP 2020 paper. Language understanding research is held back by a failure to relate language to the physical world it describes and to the social interactions it facilitates. Grounding, agency and interaction are indispensable for sound and solid LLMs. A language describes the physical world and facilitates the social interactions. We can't learn language from a radio, internet, from a television, or by ourselves. The figure shows 5 levels of world scopes: small-scale corpus, our past, for corpora and representations; large-scale internet, most of current NLP, for the written world; perception, multimodal NLP, for the world of sights and sounds; embodiment and action for interaction with physical world; and social world for interaction with human society. Grounding is about meaning, understanding, and being appropriate and consistent with the context. Agency, with belief, desire and intention, is about acting to achieve goals. The embodiment hypothesis is the idea that intelligence emerges in the interaction of an agent with an environment and as a result of sensory-motor activity. 6 lessons from baby's development of embodied cognition: be multimodal, be incremental, buy physical, explore, be social, and use language. Sensory-motor experience is the sensations and actions of an agent's ordinary interaction with the world. Over AI's 7 decades, experience has played an increasing role for AI to be more grounded, learnable and scalable. Rich Sutton proposes the common model of the intelligent agent, a perspective on the decision maker that is substantive and widely held, across psychology, AI, economics, control theory, and neuroscience. Such an integration of experience and model leads to an integration of empiricism and rationalism and an integration of connectionism and symbolism. This will lead to sound and solid grounding and agency. Yann LeCun proposes a path towards autonomous machine intelligence. It is essentially the same as the reinforcement learning model proposed by Rich Sutton. Building agents with LLMs trained from text is like learning to swim by only reading books. For business, unfortunately. After one fervorous year of LLMs, people are talking about PMF, Product Market Fit, or TPF, Technology Product Fit. For a small business, find the best application the current LLMs can support. Is text enough? Is multimodality enough? For building AI agents, embodiment and interaction are required. The current LLMs are not competent enough. For resource-rich, should you have had been working on a multimodality LLM starting at the beginning of 2003? How about building LLMs with embodiment and interaction starting at the beginning of 2024? Each problem requires a world model. This is a challenge for both RL and LLMs. We may not rely on the implicit world models in an LLM. For example, Othello GPT is still struggling with legal moves. Modularity and small LLMs facilitate iterative improvements from feedback. Common sense in society: specialists are usually preferred to generalists, and the society follows the principle of division of labor and cooperation. AGI with a single model is a wrong goal, based on 2 basic principles in optimization. First, multi-objective optimization usually will not optimize all objectives. Second, the more and the tighter constraints, the less chance to find a feasible solution. Let's build AI agents together. Let's follow the general framework of iterative improvements from reliable feedback. It is friendly to small players, academia, small startups, even individuals. It benefits from decentralization, open source, and wisdom of the crowd.